everyone, I'm back. I think it's been a while. I did not make a video. Um, yeah, today we're going to replace the bearing, the front bearing, and the rear bearing for my Team Losi. So yeah, this this buggy's been here for a year, so I haven't changed any bearing, front bearings, and yeah, that's what I gonna do today. I'm gonna replace the bearing. So yeah, I already took it apart, so I don't wanna make the video how to take it apart and everything, but yes, I already have it. I already took it apart, so yeah, everything is so dirty. I gonna wipe it a little bit, so as you can see here, not smooth anymore. So I'm not sure if I can save this, but yeah, I think I'm able to save it, but I don't wanna just keep it, I think I wanna replace for new bearing. I feel like it's kind of rough a little bit, so I ordered bearing. So I have this bearing right here. See that? I got it from RC Waffle. RC Waffle. So, and I got a new lock. As you can see here, the hub is so dirty. See that? So I'm going to clean this right now, and I'm just gonna clean it very good. The thing, it looks really good still, so I want to keep this. And yes, so I'll be back and clean this, okay guys? I got the drive shaft over here. I got over here, I'm not sure, it's like cooling like a lug nut or something like that, or it's like a lock for the drive shaft. So I'm going to clean it. It's so dirty and so rusty in there and dusty, so I'm going to clean it very good. Actually, I'm gonna replace this for right here, the new one. Yeah, the drive shaft is gonna be clean and good. It looks really dusty and then rusty. Alright guys, I'm back. Now we already did clean the hub. Okay, nice and clean. I clean it real good, very nice. Yeah, and the drive shaft looks good. So maybe I just have to clean it inside a little bit. Again, like the bros there. Yeah. Yeah, so dirty still. Yeah, a little bit. Just gonna wipe it there a little bit. There you go. Inside a little bit. Oh my god, it's so dirty. A little bit more. One more wipe. Now it's clean. Now what we're gonna do, put this inside. got the lock over here, the pin, and put it here. Gonna, there you go. Nice. So now we got that. I got a new lock nut over here. Gonna go right here, right inside, and then there's a hole here in the hole together, just like that. So looking good. I'm gonna put oil there a little bit. Yeah, you can always put oil before you put the pin inside, so either way, just to make it nice and smooth. So alright guys, we're gonna replace this bearing right here. This is old and rusty bearing. I think not smooth anymore, so I'm just gonna put this inside. And this one too, let me feel it. Oh my goodness, it's so rough. It's not good. I have a new bearing right here. I got it from RC Waffle. That's where I bought my parts, so it's cheaper. Like $10, 10% off. I mean, sorry. Oh, nice bearing. This is new right here. I feel really smooth. Feels really smooth. Brand new. So I'm gonna replace that right now and sync 1, 2. You feel it first. Nice, brand new. This one I'm gonna replace this old nut. So I have this one right here, brand new. I think this like a 4.0 one. Since I converted my RTR to 4.0, so I got the 4.0 nut. Okay, I don't know what it's called, but we got the drive shaft over here, and gonna have a bearing over here. I put it inside, and I put a little oil in there first to make sure slide better. Yeah, put some oil there first. Alright, you don't have to, but it's better. It's good to put the oil there so that it will go in there soft. See, nice. Now it is inside. Very nice. Oh my goodness, very nice. So now I'm gonna put this inside. I'm gonna put this inside. Okay. Let's see. There you go. Nice. And the same thing, I put the oil in there, lube it up a little bit so easy to get in. Make sure it's lube. Oh, it come out. Put this inside again. Nice. Nice. There you go. Now, put this. Alright guys, I'm back. So what I did, they put the bearing here, put the bearing inside. So I'm going to replace this to the brand new one. So I put this right now here. There's a hole here in the hole, just like that. And I'm going to put the pin right here, and should lube it up a little bit. So this sometimes a little rusty in there, it will stuck, so you don't have a problem to just to push it like that. Oh my goodness, nice and easy. So I'm going to put the pin in there, See that? The lock. Just gonna lock it up. Okay. There you go. So once you lock it, then the pin will see this right here, the lock. When you lock the screw here, and over here so automatically will be locked. So it's good. Normally what I do, I just put the tire in there and just lock it. There you go. Nice. Brand new, baby. Nice. Okay. Nice and lube. Gonna put everything back together. I'll be right, guys. I'm back. You should pay attention all the screw, so where belong. So I have this screw, put the screw there. Scooter. Okay. Right, guys, I'm back. I already put everything back. Nice, I love it. Nice and lube in there. Brand new bearings. And I'm gonna put everything back. I have a new lock over here. I'm gonna put this lock right here right now. Two locks. I need this one. Gotta go. Old lock. I got this together. Put it in back. Pop it right in. And it's so simple and easy. To same thing over here. Easy, man. Easy work. Alright, guys, gonna do the other side. Alright, guys, I'm back. You see how it feels now? Nice. Really nice and soft. Awesome. Nice and lube. So, really nice. Alright, guys. Hopefully you like that video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.